This video shows how to use the dictionary and picture dictionary in Read and Write for Google Chrome. To use the dictionary, just highlight a word and click the dictionary button. Definitions can also be read aloud.
Noun. A mechanical device that rotates to push against air or water.
The picture dictionary provides images and symbols to help with understanding. Just highlight a word and click the picture dictionary button. These features can be used the same way in Google Docs and Word docs. Here you can even drag and drop an image right into the doc. They can also be used in Google Slides, any website, and more. To learn more about Read and Write, visit texthelp.com